My name is Mandy Crouch, and I work for the Copper Country Intermediate School District as an early on provider and a preschool teacher. I wanted to be a teacher from a young age. Being a teacher for over 2 decades in a general education environment, I was then able to transfer over to the ISD in special education with the youngest of learners. I service babies to age 3. I visit the homes and provide early intervention supports to any type of delay that they may have. It could be within any of the developmental areas: gross motor, fine motor, social, emotional, cognitive delays. And then as they grow and they exit out of early on at age 3, they move into the preschool world. And then I follow them to preschool and provide early intervention supports there. An early on specialist will come into your home and give you support with your infant to age 3 that is requiring a little bit more monitoring of their milestones, their developmental milestones. An early interventionist with early on is a liaison to all of those other supports. An early interventionist in preschool takes that child's IEP and looks at the goals and outcomes, and then will visit the preschool and provide early intervention supports in the form of visual aids, visual schedules, be the liaison to additional supports with physical needs, maybe occupational therapy, sensory needs. I would say the most rewarding aspects are building those relationships with children, with families especially, and other professionals, because we are truly a team. Without family support and family engagement, we would be nowhere. Family engagement is one of the strongest predictors of a child's success in the future. Their joy and their sense of wonder as you're teaching them, you get to experience kind of like, I think we've forgotten as adults how to play and how to laugh, and they remind you of that every day. Get that experience needed, volunteer, or try to work in a setting with special needs in an inclusive environment so that you can really understand what children with special needs, what that entails, what their unique challenges are, what their strengths are, and what's going to be asked of you. You know, your expectation as a provider. Get those evaluations as soon as you can. The earlier the better. Early intervention is the way to go for ensuring success for your child's future. So don't wait. My favorite thing about working in the Upper Peninsula is being able to incorporate the outdoors within my teaching. I love outdoor play. I love outdoor instruction. Anytime you can bring in gardening, hiking, any type of nature-related instruction will benefit a child.